Hi, I'm Tori Wheelt with the Oracle Technology Network. We're here on the floor of Devoxx UK talking to members of the Java community. I have Andres Almiray. Andreas, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Sorry for having me.
You're a Java champion, you're a canoe fellow, you do all sorts of things, right?
Yes, I do. But particularly one of the things that I really love about these kind of settings like Devoxx UK is how easy it is to get in touch with the community. And precisely that's one of the things that we're doing here at Devoxx UK. We have a 2-day Hackergarten. Hackergarten meetings differ from regular hackathons in just one thing. We never throw away the code. What we do in a Hackergarten is that we get people together, they hack on some code, they hack on open source projects, and at the end of the session, they push the contribution back to the community.
Okay, but I've heard the phrase hacker's the bad guy, right?
Not exactly. I would say that is a bad image coming from Hollywood. Hacker actually means someone that is passionate about creating code, about the craftsmanship of code, if I can say so. And most of the time, a hacker is not in isolation. Actually, they thrive in communities. So what we want to do in a Hackergarten is actually a portmanteau of the hacker community and kindergarten. So what we're doing is kind of like a playground of hackers from different communities coming together in one place, sharing ideas, generating synergy, and at the end of the time is making a positive influence in one particular open source project.
Wow, yeah, that's how I was going to say. A lot of people contributing, that sounds a little like open source to me.
Yeah, exactly.
Very cool. Tell me some of the projects you're working on upstairs.
Well, upstairs we have members from the JCP working on the TCK for Java Money, which will be done pretty soon as I'm told, so expect to have some news on that. There is also, I think he might be the spec lead for big data, or some JS are related to big data. JS8 Lambdas. We're also working on a templating system called Lazy Bones that allows you to bootstrap different projects. And we just pushed the first contribution. It's called the Afterburner Effects template. This is a simple template for you to bootstrap an Afterburner Effects project. For those people that do not know what Afterburner Effects is, it's probably the simplest minimal framework that you can have for creating JavaFX applications.
And you do these Hackergardens all over the world, right?
Yes, we do. We try to make it happen.
Excellent, and I hear you're going to come to Java 1.
Yes, there's going to be, this time there's going to be the second Hackergarten, but this time the name is going to stick to Hackergarten because as you say something, the word hacker has some negative connotation with some people, so last year we had to rename it to CodeGarten, but we were there. But just wait for us.
Nobody could find you, right?
Nobody could find it because say, oh, is it Hackergarten, is it CodeGarten? But this time it's going to be Hackergarten. We're going to be next to the Java demo grounds where most of the people are. So just look for us because we're going to make a lot of trouble in a very positive way.
Excellent, and you don't have to be an expert. You'll come in and somebody will be there to help you out, right?
Yes, most of the times we have the experts and project leads of the different projects that we're working on the premises. So this is a nice opportunity and a great opportunity for people that have no idea how open source project works, how open source software is produced, to get in touch with not just someone that knows, but someone that actually leads the project. And you really get so much experience out of it. And I can guarantee you that the least thing that you can learn from these experiences is new IDE shortcuts. Trust me, because we always do pair programming, and this is such a wonderful experience.
Wow, I just love that you're doing this. It's the whole open source mentality. As the Java community, you're really bringing things together well. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Tori.
Great. This is Tori Wheelt with the Oracle Technology Network.